Hi, welcome to reBayer. In this video, we will be teaching you how to install and start using reBayer. reBayer is a software which will let you continue using a camera which has got its pixels damaged, like hot pixels or dead pixels, or let's say laser damage or some other issue where the sensor develops vertical or horizontal colored lines. Since sensor replacement costs a lot, all the way from 50% to 70% of the camera cost, reBayer will let you continue using the camera. So let us get started. First, you have to go to our website reBayer.com and click on Get reBayer. And if you want to check out the software before you purchase, you can opt for free trial or you can directly buy the software. For trial version, you do not need to enter any details like a credit card information. So you will get a key over here and you can download the software from here. Once you download the software, double click on the installation file. Click on Yes. Create desktop shortcut, next, and install. Once you click install, the software will start installing and then you will get a shortcut on the desktop. Double click on the shortcut. So once you open the software, you will be getting two tabs over here. One is detect and profile, second one is repair images. Under the detect profile, the black threshold and white threshold are set to 8 and also the cluster sensitivity is set to 0.35 based on the ideal scenario. So in my case, if you look at the type of damage on the sensor, this should be ideally an entirely black image, but here there are two columns which are damaged due to laser, but they are always on and they are giving colored lines. So what I do is I go to the software. Since they are column damage only, I select columns only. You can always start by selecting the black frame if it is a hot pixel, and you can always go for a white frame if it's a dead pixel. If the type of damage is mixed, where it is both hot pixels and dead pixels, you can select both black frame and white frame. In my case, it is only hot pixels due to laser damage, so I will be selecting the black frame. Go to black frame, click on browse, sensor damage, open, and select detect damage. So once you click on detect damage, it shows the damage. For example, in the entire image, the orange vertical streaks indicate that these are the pixels which are damaged. And the software also tells you the columns where the damage has occurred, like the columns in between 2846 and 2853, and the columns between 4320 and 4327. So here you can go give a profile name 1dx m2 and save profile. So the profile is saved. Now that we're done with saving the profile, we'll move on to the repair tab. While designing the repair tab, we have ensured that it is extremely easy to use and the entire operation can be done in 2 clicks. So once you come to the repair images tab, you need to select the profile. In this case, we are going to fix the images taken using 1DX Mark II. Once you select the profile, to ensure that there is no confusion and selection of wrong profile, the sensor map is displayed in this. So once it is done, it will also show the columns. You need to scroll down and you need to select the folder. I have placed the images which I need to repair in this folder Bandipur. I select the folder and all the images in the folder are listed out. Here I can select if I want to overwrite the originals, which I would not recommend at least initially. Later on, if you want to get rid of the originals, you can always click on overwrite the originals. If you do not select this option overwrite the originals, the images are saved in a subfolder within the folder you select. In our case, inside the Bandipur folder, there will be another folder which will be called as repair. And all the file names are displayed over here. And after this, I have to come down and I need to click repair. And slowly the images will start getting repaired. As you can see, inside the Bandipur folder, there's a folder named repaired, and when you click on it, you can find all the images. Let us see how well the job is done. See, there are no lines. Even if you zoom in, it's extremely difficult to identify if there were any lines in the image. Please feel free to contact us for more queries. We're always here to help you.